क्या सुन रहे हैं? Good evening, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
I'm fine, beta. Actually, beta, yesterday I was out of station. That's why I have not taken yesterday's class. Okay, children, let's start now. We were doing this section formula, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
the class ends at 8:10, right?
Yes, beta. Yes, children. So, question number 1 is, have you done the question number 1? This question I have given in homework. Question number 1, 2, and 3. No one has done. Okay, let's start with this question then. Draw the find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3.
Ma'am, your screen
Ma'am,
is
are
not
you sharing
visible.
the screen?
Yes.
Ma'am, we can't see
Your
the
screen is not visible.
Which?
Okay, just wait. Now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So what is given here in this question, children? X1 is given, though, so P and Q point. So P and Q and -1, 7 and this point is given beta 4, -3. And RS point is there which divides this line in 2:3. So value of X1 will be -1, Y1 will be 7 and thus X2 is 4, Y2 is -3 and ratio is 2:3. It means the value of M is 2 and value of N is 3. Now, what was the formula of section formula? Yes, children, what was the formula? Mx2
Ma'am,
plus
MX2 plus
Nx1
MX1.
upon M plus N, comma, My2 plus Ny1 upon M plus. Now, substitute the values and tell me the answer. Hurry up.
Ma'am, X is 1.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Yes, beta, what's your answer?
Ma'am,
X is 1.
3.
1, 3. All I've got this? 1, 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Pranya is replying. What about others? Abhinav,
Ma'am, I'm
Sumbo,
doing
Still solving, ma'am. Still solving.
solve it fast.
Ma'am, 1, 3, ma'am. Got it.
Yes, beta?
Got the answer, ma'am. 1,
Okay. Siddhishri, Sumo, Huria,
Ma'am,
Rizwana,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, Aryan. Got the same answer, Bhavna? Bhavna, have you got the answer, beta? Am I audible to you, Bhavna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is find the coordinates of the point trisection. This type of question we already did, right? So trisection
ma'am.
is given. So this is P, this is Q. Now there will be how many cases?
Two cases.
2.
Yes. For first case, value of M will be 1,
One.
value of N will be 2.
2.
And for second case, the value of M will be
2.
2 and value of N will be 1.
1.
Calculate it and tell me the answer.
Done, ma'am.
Both the parts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, do it. Siddharth have given the answer 2 minus 5 by 3. Yes. Yes, Siddharth, I will explain, beta. Okay, in the last 5 minutes. Which question you have shared?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 and minus 5 by 3 is the first.
Yes, beta. And next one?
Ma'am, do.
0, minus 7 by 3.
Yes, Pranya. Good, beta.
Ma'am, the coordinates are 0 and minus 7 by 3.
Yes, good, beta. Okay, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, 0, minus 7.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, 0, minus 7 by 3.
Yes. All have got the same answer, children?
No, once can you solve? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will solve. See, beta, here
Yes, ma'am.
value of x1 is 4, y1 is -1, x2 is -2, y2 is -3. Okay, so for first case, we will find value of A. So mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Yes, beta. Now m is 1, x2 is -2 plus n is 2, x1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2, comma, my2 m is 1, y2 is -3 plus n is 2, y1 is -1 divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, then it will be -2 plus 8 divided by 3 and -3 minus 2 upon 3. So it will be beta 8 minus 2, 6 by 3, comma minus 5 by 3. So 3 2 just 6. So 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Fine beta. Okay, Abhinav?
Got it, ma'am.
Now for B point, value of m is 2 and value of n is 1. So again A coordinate mx2. So 2 into x2 is -2 plus n1, x1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2, comma. Now my2, so value of m is 2, y2 is -3. Then 1 into -1 upon 1 plus 2. So -4 plus 4 divided by 3, comma, -6 minus 1 upon 3. So your coordinates will be 0, comma, -7 by 3. This will be your answer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Ma'am, I had a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, like now because we took the like x1, x2 and y1, y2 correct, we got the answer, ma'am. What if like by mistake we take x2 as x1 and x1 as x2?
Then answer will be wrong. You will
No,
get
ma'am,
wrong
like,
answer.
in exam also if they give 2, ma'am, the first one should be taken as x1 and
Yes,
y1.
beta.
Ma'am, in exam
Beta,
if they give a
always
question,
you have to take C. Always you have to take that first coordinate as x1, y1 and second will be x2, y2. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And children, see now question number 3 will be asked as case-based question. In case-based study question, this question will ask, to conduct sports day activities. See children. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in the figure. Niharika runs 1/4 distance AD on the second line and Paul posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line and post a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? If the Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment, halfway means midpoint, right, beta? So first of all, you will find the coordinates of this Niharika and Preet. Okay. So Niharika is here, this point. So coordinates of Niharika will be, tell children. Along x-axis, she is in second row, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And y-axis, it is saying 1/4 of the distance AD. So it means x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 1 into 100, 1/4 of 100. Because 100 flat ports are there. So 2 comma 20. Right? In the same way, Preet's coordinate, what is? She is in 8th row, right, beta? So 8 comma
20.
and here it is in 4th, right, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 1, what they are saying, 1/6
I'm
of
1/5,
this.
I guess.
Yes, 1/5 of 100. Right, beta? So 8 into 20. Fine. So now we have to find halfway. It means they will pose the flag halfway. So collect P point is 2 comma 25. Q point is 8 comma 20. So suppose this point is, so half means it will divide equally. So 1-1 ratio will be there. So value of M will be 1 and value of N will be 1. Right, beta? Now apply the coordinate formula. That is section formula. Understood? Because in case-based questions, it can be asked, what will be the coordinates of Niharika? Then in second question, it will be asked, what will be the coordinates of Preet? Then in third question, they will ask you the section by section formula, that in which ratio they are. And in fourth one, they can ask that if they will pose the flag in between. Okay, it means half. So you will apply the midpoint formula. So what was the midpoint formula? Have you remembered? X1 plus X2 divided by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, X is 5, right?
Okay, let me check. The formula is X1 plus X2 divided by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. Okay. So it will be 8 plus 2, 10 divided by 2 and 45 by divided by 2. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So 5 comma 45 by 2. Yes, children, all have got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's start now. Next question. Find the
On-
ratio. Yes, beta.
The last thing is we have to check the midpoint, right? So
Yes, yes. Because they are saying na that midway, halfway. Okay, and one more thing, distance also you need to find. So you will apply the distance formula. What was your distance formula, children?
Ma'am,
Root of
next to
X2
root of
X2 minus X1
x1
whole
whole
square
square less
plus
y2 ma'am.
y2, y1 minus y2 or y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. See, children, in this distance formula, you can write like this also. X1 minus X2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Fine? Because in this, you will get the positive value only. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so it will be 8 minus 5. 8 minus 2, 6 square plus 20 minus 5, 25 minus 5. So 36 plus 25. So root 61 units. Fine, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, children?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Done, children? Now may I proceed to next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, find the ratio in which the line segment joining these points is divided by this. So in this question, see, here line joining points are given PQ is minus 3, comma 10, and this Q is given 6 minus 8, and this coordinate is given beta R, that is minus 1, comma 6. Okay, and we have to find this ratio. Fine. So no need to confuse, because in your books or in some other books, it is given let the ratio be k is to 1. Okay. So no need to be confused. Just take the ratios as m ratio n only. Okay. So you will write let R divides PQ in m ratio n. Fine. So now value of x1 is minus 3, y1 is 10, and then x2 is 6, y2 is minus 8. And our coordinate is given minus 1, comma 6. So children, you will apply the section formula mx2 my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay. So now value of m will remain same, m. x2 is 6 beta, n is n, x1 is minus 3 divided by m plus n, comma m y2 m, y2 is minus 8, n y1 is 10 upon m plus n. Okay. So now you will write them like this: 6m minus 3n upon m plus n is equal to minus 8m plus 10n upon m plus n. is equal to minus 1 comma 6. So now on comparing coordinates. Now compare the coordinates, beta. So coordinates are 6m minus 3n upon m plus n. So first coordinate is of x, beta. So this will be equal to this minus 1. Fine. You can use only one coordinate. Now cross multiply. So 6m minus 3n will be equal to minus m minus n. Fine. So now you can write 6m plus m will be equal to minus n plus 3n. So 7m is equal to 2n. Now we have to find the ratio. So what we will do, we will write 7m upon n only. Then 2 will be here. Now transpose this to the right hand side. So m upon n will be 2 by 7. So your ratio will be beta 2:7. Understood?
Why did we take only 6m minus 7? Can you explain that again?
You can take rest y coordinate also. Then you will get the same answer. That's why I'm saying. Okay. Even I will show you also that you can compare this y coordinate also. Minus 8m plus 10n upon m plus n is equal to 6. Cross multiply. Minus 8m plus 10n will be equal to beta 6m plus 6n, right? Now transpose minus 8m minus 6m is equal to 6n minus 10n. So minus 14m is equal to minus 4n, minus minus plus. So you will write m is equal to minus 4n upon minus 10n. Okay, now transpose this n. M upon n will be 2 by 7. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood,
Yes, ma'am.
children, this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note this. Screen is visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta. All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huria? Done, Sumo? Siddhishri, Rizwana,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavna,
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Dharya,
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done,
Abhinav,
ma'am.
Aryan.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now children see, Siddharth has asked one doubt. From the application of trigonometry, the question is, let me share that screen, just wait. Yes, children, read the question carefully. And just yes, children. Do you have any idea how we will solve this question?
Ma'am, both the board lie on the same plane, right? Same side.
Yes.
Then we can do in the same way we did with the pole.
Yes. First of all, a man on the cliff observe a boat and an angle of depression 30 degree, which is approaching the shore to the point immediately beneath the observer with a uniform speed of 6 minutes later, the angle of depression of the boat will be 60. Find the time taken by this. Okay, first of all, let us make a cliff. Suppose this is a cliff. Right, beta? So now boat is approaching and angle of depression is 30 degree. So this is our angle of sight. So this angle is 30 degree. So therefore this is 30. Right? Now they are saying when it is come closer, then angle of depression will be 60 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now we have to find, they are saying that after 6 seconds, there's 6 minutes. Okay. So let, this will be x beta. Okay. So let speed of this be x kilometer per hour. So, and time be t. Okay. So in this triangle, small, bigger triangle, in triangle A, B, D. Let h be the height of this. So now this distance will be, see beta. This distance will be, what it will be? Speed is, x is the speed of this. The distance will be. Tell me, what is the formula for finding speed? Distance upon
Distance by
time, right? Then distance will be speed into time. So xt, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will write 1030 will be equal to h upon xt. It will be x upon xt or xt upon h. Yes, children.
Ma'am, come again, ma'am.
Beta, it will be, see, this angle is 60 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So this will, base will be this or this?
Base will be the down one, X,
Ma'am, base will be BC.
And perpendicular is this, right?
H. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
H, ma'am.
Yes, beta. So you will write h upon xt, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the same way, you will apply this triangle in triangle ABC. Fine. So now you will apply this trigonometry ratio here also. So what it will be? Children, if you have not observed, see here, in man of the cliff, this man is standing here. Okay. A boat at an angle of depression, a boat is coming. And the angle of depression is, this angle is 30 degree. Right? This angle is 30 degree. Okay, so we can take this angle 30 degree. Fine. And they are saying then boat after 6 minutes, the boat will come here and its angle is 60 degree. So this will be 60 and this will be 30. Right? So this 30s are what? These are wrong triangle, na? That is bigger one. So it will be xt plus 6x, na? And in this triangle, it will be h upon xt is equal to 1060. Right? Now solve it and then you will get the answer. Okay,
Ma'am, I
Siddharth?
did not understand what you were saying, ma'am.
Actually, I was saying that see, in this 1030, you were saying that h upon xt, but you have to include this 6x also, na, distance. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be, I have included that xt plus 6x. Then it will be 1030. And then in smaller one, h upon xt will be 1060, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now solve these two. Okay, children? Siddharth, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I posted my doubt in the WhatsApp, so can you reply?
And I have written here, which question, beta?
Ma'am, I'll talk to you in WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay, children, all have done?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.